짠.
짠!
You feel really good after drinking the makgeolli.
Hello everybody, we're here again. Woo! So today we will be making makgeolli from scratch, kind of, and we will be trying it with pajan. Today's makgeolli we will be making original, ginseng, citrus, as well as strawberry. Ooh, can't wait to try these out. I'm sure everybody is excited to try.
Oh, yeah.
So let's get started.
Yay!
So this is our makgeolli in the package. It is FDA approved. Yeah. So the flavor I have is the ginseng flavor.
I have regular makgeolli.
And I have this Calamansi flavored makgeolli.
I have this strawberry flavored makgeolli.
Oh, she got the nice one. So from the directions, we're supposed to pour in 1 liter of water inside the pouch, shake it 2 or 3 times, but there's no water as you can see. Leave the lid slightly open and ferment it in a room temperature of 25 to 30 Celsius for 48 hours, 2 days. And then after 48-hour fermentation, refrigerate it below 8 Celsius and drink it cool. Yay! Alright, I guess we're gonna get started now.
So basically we just pour water in, shake, and then done.
Yep.
Yeah.
2 bottles of water of equivalent.
So,
1 liter actually.
yes.
Shake it like a salt shaker.
Shake it well.
So we let it sit for 48 hours at room temperature and then put it in the refrigerator before we drink it so it's cooler.
Here we are ready after 48 hours with makgeolli strawberry, and we will be preparing strawberry smoothie with it.
For this one.
She got the strawberries.
Oh, nice.
For this makgeolli, we'll be preparing it with strawberry yogurt, strawberries, honey, and strawberry makgeolli. We'll mash some strawberries, or as per your preference, you can chop them as you wish.
Bigger the chunks, more the taste you will feel of it.
Now we'll put the strawberry yogurt.
Yummy.
Add some honey as per your preference. As much sweet you want, we are going with 2 spoons of honey. Now we pour makgeolli in the bowl. Here we are ready with our strawberry flavored makgeolli smoothie.
Yay!
And now we are gonna make like makgeolli lemonade. Put some lemons, squeeze them well, or put 1 or 2 like that. Put zest, put some lemon juice. Maybe you can measure with the spoon, or maybe I will do 2 squeeze, and then Sprite, making it a lemonade flavor. And then here we go with our Calamansi makgeolli. It looks already quite good, refreshing, the actual Korean style flavor.
Now we're going off with the ginseng makgeolli. I forgot to mention, there's actually alcohol in this, so 5%, not a lot, but you know, some people could be like. So we're gonna shake it up again. The water. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Okay, open it up. Gonna just pour some in just a little bit, and then I'm going to pour in the spray. We only have a bottle, but then more makgeolli. Oh, look at that big chunk. Shake, shake, shake.
That's quite a good mix.
Chup, 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 chup. And then we mix as we're making a spell for a good night. And that is the ginseng makgeolli with cider. I mean, Sprite.
I have regular makgeolli, and all we're gonna do is pour it with the ice. I have the hard part. You've started with your makgeolli.
Oh, you didn't shake it. Okay, to
And
shake it.
mix.
You should mix well.
Okay, so now that we have the makgeollis all nice and ready, we are going to try some chon, which is Korean pancake. Oh, they look so yummy. Oh my god. Yay! So we have our chon here, our Korean little mini pancakes. So here we have a potato, and then we have our squid, and then we have kimchi, and then we have chives. So delicious, I'm so excited. Okay. First we're gonna start with our regular makgeolli.
This is Korean makgeolli cup.
This is the custom way to drink makgeolli from this lovely. So this is the original makgeolli. All right, down.
Jan.
Oh, come through. Ooh, tart.
Very good.
It's
Tastes
quite
just like,
good.
just like regular makgeolli you get at a restaurant or at a store.
I would say this tastes like Seoul makgeolli that is quite good in Korea, and then very fresh like Seng makgeolli. Doesn't feel anything like powdery.
Yeah. It's quite smooth in texture. It tastes good.
Should we take that tank? Yes.
Maybe.
What would you like?
take
Oh,
a-
no, that's squid.
Somebody pick which one first.
Let's do kimchi.
Kimchi.
Okay,
Kimchi is the best.
Favorite?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Stuff.
Flavorful but not overly spicy.
Yes, ma'am.
Tastes like superb kimchi Jeon, and goes good with the makgeolli.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, that's a nice pairing. The kimchi has like a nice kick, but not spicy, but just like a nice kick. And when you drink it with the makgeolli, they just dance with each other in the mouth. So now we're going to try the ginseng makgeolli. All right. As always, stir it up so all of the stuff is together.
Go for any.
Yeah. Oh wait, let me mix mine.
Tastes good too.
All right. Let's see.
It tastes very similar.
Oh, I taste the ginseng. I taste it.
A bit of
I taste it.
tanginess
Anybody?
of
Does anybody taste
Sprite.
it? I taste it.
I don't.
Yeah,
Really?
good.
It tastes very similar to the first one.
Really? I when I taste it, I could actually taste the ginseng right under my tongue.
I feel like little earthy feeling. Like some deep flavor is there, and that is like something roots.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
That
because
kind
of
of flavor is there,
ginseng.
but not very strong. But it is good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the green one.
Yes. The chive for herbs.
The chive.
The chives.
Cheers.
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 The soy sauce goes well with this one.
Combination tastes good.
So far, they're all a hit.
When I have the chive and the makgeolli together, it like enhances the chive. If that makes
It
sense.
brings out the chive.
It brings
flavor.
out the chive flavor and it's like, ooh, there we go.
In Korea, they eat Jeon and makgeolli in rainy days.
Especially
about
after
that.
hiking.
Yeah.
Do a good hike, Gwanaksan, Bugansan, and then enjoy a good makgeolli with pajeon.
Yeah.
Kimchi jeon.
On to the next one.
So here we are with our
Calamansi.
Calamansi. Calamansi lemonade. Give it a good mix.
Very lemony taste. And a little kick from the Sprite.
So what shall we eat?
Let's go for the potato one.
Potato? I was thinking that too. Potato. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm sorry.
Potato's
Oh, the
always
potato's
good.
good.
And potato with soy sauce is also very good.
Pancakes are all good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And tastes quite refreshing, I would say. And a little bit of lemony taste, and of course makgeolli.
짠.
짠.
건배.
Kombe.
건배.
Will give us good mix to this strawberry flavored makgeolli. Let's serve it in the bowls and have the taste.
Excuse me.
So let's go on with the pancakes.
The squid pancake.
Wait,
A squid pancake.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
짠.
짠.
Feels like strawberry.
Yeah, I taste the strawberry and I even kind of taste the yogurt.
I would say it's like a flavor bomb. There are different kinds of flavors mixed. Like, of course, makgeolli is there, but like yogurt or strawberry
Honey.
and honey.
Like the first
Yeah.
thing I tasted was the yogurt, and then strawberry, and then it was just like, where's the makgeolli? Oh wait, never mind. There's the aftertaste. The aftertaste.
Okay, so now the squid one.
Oh yeah.
The squid. So this one's softer.
And if you don't like seafood, yeah. it's good.
So I don't like seafood, but I don't really taste the squid.
Oh really? I should taste it.
Maybe because I don't know what it tastes like, but it. But I don't really taste the seafood taste that I dislike.
Oh okay, gotcha.
But I will switch back to kimchi.
Which Jeon and makgeolli are your favorite?
I like this makgeolli the best.
This makgeolli.
Calamansi.
Yeah.
Your choice is calamansi.
Yeah, calamansi with the potato pancakes. Yes.
Yeah, I would say like calamansi is quite flavorful and goes good with maybe any kind of pancake to say. Like kimchi pancake, of course, quite good, or maybe kimchi Jeon, Jeon, anyone is quite good.
My favorite, yeah, the calamansi. And I would say the kimchi, between the kimchi and the potato, those were pretty good.
So I like the original, and definitely kimchi or potato both go well with it. However, if you want to feel the alcohol more, the strawberry, you don't taste the alcohol, so you can drink a lot really quick, and you would feel the after effects.
So how did y'all enjoy the makgeolli and Korean pancake today?
Oh, I love it.
Always,
This
always
combination is
wonderful.
good.
I love it.
It's
It's always
is-
amazing to have makgeolli with pancakes.
Honestly.
In Korea, of course.
So, thanks everybody for watching us today. As you can see, we all had a great time in trying out these new foods and these new makgeolli, and especially the process was awesome. And if you like any of the products that you've seen or would like to try, click on the link below and you can buy it. Yay!
Yay.
And that is it for today. Come and see us again.
And you feel really good after drinking the makgeolli.
Yes. Yes.
Feels good already.
Go hiking. Just don't fall off. Okay, bye.
Bye.